The Jeep Cherokee key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, identify the seam on your key fob, typically located between the key blade and the button panel. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the seam to gently pry the case open, revealing the circuit board and battery holder. For newer, more sealed fobs, post-2020 models, specialized pry tools might be necessary. If your fob has a metal key blade, separate it first to prevent damage. Be cautious to avoid scratching the plastic. Once open, you'll see the coin cell battery that needs replacing. Note the battery type, usually CR2032 or CR2025, before removing it. Once the key fob is open, pop out the old battery. Note the orientation of the battery with the positive side facing up to ensure you insert the new battery correctly. Replace it with a new CR2032 for most models or CR2025 for some variants. Ensure the correct polarity. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within range of your vehicle. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is new. Test with a multimeter to ensure it's between 2.8 to 3 volts. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, recycling when possible.